All right, y'all. So now let's move on to part B where it says draw DE parallel to BC. You can draw DE any length. So it's a lot like the ones before it. So we're just going to go ahead and draw a segment DE parallel to BC. So BC is right here. And we want to draw a line segment parallel to that. So again, start with a point. Let's do the point right here. And then we want to do this right here. Go to the second one, parallel line. Click on D, click the line that you want it parallel to, which is right here, BC. All right. So again, we want a line segment, not this whole line. So let's go to segment, click on D, and then stay on the line, right? Because you want it to be parallel. And let's make it a little bit longer. Let's like put it right here. And so that is our segment DE. But again, we don't want that whole line just kind of hanging out there. So let's click on this right here. And let's find that line. So that line is right here highlighted. Just click on that and it gets rid of the line and you're left with your line segment, right? That's what we want is a line segment. And then you want to get the ratio, right? So that is basically a division problem again, right? We did this a few times already. All right, so you're gonna want so we're gonna do this as a division problem. So again, let's find DE. DE, that is 6.35 units. So we'll come here and we'll do 6.35 divided by, let's get that BC length. So BC right here is 5.66. Right, so just do divided by 5.66 and that will equal, and let's do the math. All right, so for this, I got 1.219, like a lot of numbers, right? A big decimal number. So for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and round it to 1.121. Right. And we'll just go with that right there. And so that right there is going to be the ratio of the lengths of, then multiply the lengths of AB and CA by N and record the resulting lengths. All right, so we're going to find the length of AB first. So let's go ahead and do, I'll just do this. It's easier sometimes if you label everything. So by doing this, we're labeling the length of AB. So AB again is going to be 3.61. So right here, 3.61 times this 1.121. And then for the length of, so what's the next one? CA. So CA length is going to be, let's see the length of CA. 6.08 times 1.121, right? And then let's work that out. All right, y'all. So after doing the multiplication, the length, when you multiply AB by that N, then you get 4.047, and that's rounded. And then for CA, you multiply the length of that times that N again that we got for the previous one, and that came out to 6.816. And if you wanted to, which I probably should have done to be more specific, is to just put units after this. Right, and that's how you do part B.